wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning all.
Morning.
How lives today?
Sleeping. Hungry.
Okay, before we start our study today together, we are praying together. So, Al-Fatihah.
Amin.
Do you know what the topic today?
No.
Today we learn about procedure text. How is procedure? What is procedure text in your opinion?
How to make something.
How to make something?
How to
Yes.
use something.
Anything else?
Tutorial.
Tutorial.
Yes.
Next. What is procedure text? So, Mbak Naili, please read the PowerPoint.
Procedure text is a text that contains how to do something correctly in the form of a step-by-step sequence so that the desired goal is achieved.
Did you understand?
Time.
Did you understand or no?
Yes. Oh, explain, please.
So, the simple definition of procedure text is text that how to do something. It's example like how make simple coffee meal or how to open a laptop. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, the next is characteristic of procedure text. Mas Arya bisa dibaca?
Characteristics of procedural text that can differentiate them from other texts. First, use imperative or command sentences. 2. There are guidelines that must be followed. 3. Use action verbs. 4. Use conjunctions to show order. 5. There are rules regarding materials or activities. 6. Use adverbs to express details of the time, place, and manner. 7. There is a numbering along with the contents of activities carried out sequentially.
Understand? So, the characteristics of procedure text is one is must he has imperative sentence, and number 2 is guidelines like number 1 is must blah blah blah, and the next number 2 is like blah blah blah. And do you know what is the example of action verb? Can
Ring,
you give example? Ring. And anyone else? Anything else?
Next, kick,
Takes,
punch,
kick, like that.
Punch.
So action verb is that something to do, have an action. So the next is use conjunction to show order. The 5 is there are rules regarding material or activities. That is the importance of procedure text. Number 6 is use adverb or to express detail of time, place, and manner. Number 7, there is has numbering along with contents or of activities carried out sequentially. The next is language features. Mbak Pia, please read.
Language feature procedure text. The first is this text discuss fact about making or using something, so we need to use the simple present tense. The second is use command sentence. Command sentence must begin with a verb. Example are mix, stir, boil, add, turn on, and get. And the third is use connection word. Example before, after, then, first, second, third, next, finally, and at last. And the last is use adverb. Example are in 5 minutes for and how. Apart from that, we can also use description of method. For For example, slowly, quickly, rapidly, and powerfully.
Any question for language features? Understand? Okay, next. The next is generic structure of procedural text structure. Number one is aims or goals. Goals are what you want to do in procedural text. Usually these aims or these goals found in the title or the one's paragraph. And number two is material. This section contains information about the tools or material needed to carry out the activities. Number two is the more important of procedural text. Number three or the last is step or methods. These explain the process of stage that must be carried out in order to obtain maximum result in accordance with the objective of the procedural text. The step second must be sequential. So the last is how the process of procedural text. Any question for this section? Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Inshallah.
Next is types of procedural text. Procedural text has three types. Number one is simple procedural text. Contains only 2 or 3 tips. For the example, how to turn on a laptop. So, simple procedural text is that more simple than others and has just 2 or 3 steps. And the next is complex procedural text. Contains steps that can be carried out flexibly. This means that the goal of the text is still achieved even if the reader does not carry out the steps sequentially. For the example is so next, number 3, protocol procedural text. A protocol procedural text is a procedural text where the steps can be reversed, but the goal can still be achieved. For example, how to make risol mayonnaise. So, the protocol procedural text is more long process, more long process than other. The example is how to make risol mayonnaise. So, we must be writing detail about how to make risol mayonnaise. Understand? This is example of procedure text. How to make simple creamy coffee milk. The aims of the procedure text is how to make simple creamy coffee milk. Remember, aims or goals is that can be found in title or paragraph first. Understand?
Okay.
And the aims of this example is found in title. Yes. And the next is material. Material is ingredients of simple creamy coffee milk. The ingredient is one is teaspoon of coffee powder, spoon, and blah 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 blah. And the last is methods or steps. Steps to make simple creamy coffee milk is that. Can you read by yourself? Understand?
Yes, please.
Any question for procedural text?
No.
No. So, what is language feature of procedural text? Action verb. Simple present tense. Connect Connecting word. Connecting word. Use adverb. So language feature has four. What is? Simple present. Action verb.
Connecting
Connecting
word.
word. Adverb. What the types of procedure text? Number one, types of procedure text.
Simple procedure
Simple
text.
procedure text. Number two,
Complex
complex procedure text. And the last,
protocol.
protocol procedure text. Okay, so give applause for Mbak Naili. So the next is please make a small group that have two participants per group and make procedure text. So please discussion with your group right now. Time is just 10 minutes.
Miss, I wanna ask before we discuss.
Yes.
In the procedure text, example, how to turn on the television. It's not a use thing, not use a material like make a creamy coffee. It use a material like a sugar, spoon, and other. But if we only how to turn on the television or how to turn on the radio, it's not a use material. And how about it?
Okay, but Mamita, thank you for your question. So, if we are making how to turn on television, is that procedure text? But this is a simple procedure text that have 2 or 3 steps. So, not has ingredients or material. It's okay because how to turn on television is simple procedure text. Understand?
Okay.
Yes. So you can read like no has ingredients or materials.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes, thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. So right now, please discuss with your group and make example of procedure text.
Yes, ma'am.
Done?
Have done, Miss.
Have done? If you have done, please come forward to read your procedure text. Remember that the aims or goals is can be found on title, not must in paragraph. Understand? Have done? Berida?
Not yet, Miss. This is
Okay. Yes. If you have done, please come forward to read your procedure text.
Okay. My text is how to prepare microwave noodle. First, prepare microwave soft bowl. To fill the bowl with 50 cc or 1.5 cups of water and place the noodle in it. 3. Put the bowl in the microwave and cook on high for 5 minutes. 4. Dry the noodles, then mix them with the seasoning and oil until well combined. 5. Sprinkle the complexity ingredients on top and your precious spread noodles are ready to serve.
Okay, Mr. Kawan, I have question for you. So, in your procedure text is types. What is the types?
Simple.
Simple. Give applause for Masika. Anything you have done?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Before we close our study today, I will give you one or two questions. So please, what is procedure text? Procedure text. What is?
Text explain how to make something miss.
Right. And how about language feature of procedure text? Remember, has 4 language features. Number 1 is
Simple
simple
present.
present. Number 2,
Present verb.
Action.
action verb. Number 3,
Connecting word.
connecting word. And the last,
Adverb.
adverb. So, do you all understand about the procedure text?
Yes.
Inshallah.
Yes.
Understandable.
So, I think enough for today. Thank you for your attention. See you next meeting. The last I say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.